And we are back with the floor repair with part 2, the floor disassembly and repair section of this. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take our utility knife and we're going to score underneath as far as we can underneath the wall, as far down as we need to. Probably going to be 3/4 of the way almost to the door. Score underneath that way, and then cutting it this way down. We're going to get to about here. That'll allow us to peel the laminate flooring up, because it's just vinyl. It's one sheet. So we'll peel it up in this section, because it stops right about here and goes to about here. So that'll give us enough to get access to the rotted out wood, get the old stuff cut out, and allow us to fit a new board in. So really it's going to be kind of a messy process. It's going to be time consuming because it does take time to cut this very carefully without making any extra cuts and damaging any more stuff than we need to. And just rotted wood removal just takes time, trying to get it all out and get as far as we need to into good fresh wood. So we'll check back in once we get that done. And here we have it. Floor was cut, we peeled it back. As you can see, it's gone. And there ain't nothing left there. That white substance, that is white mold. And we got a little bit of black in there too. That is all white mold. It's caked on the bottom of this. It's the white powdery substance. So that can be taken care of. White mold is not a big deal. You can do it with some white vinegar, non-distilled, or just some bleach solution. Wipe it on there, wipe it out, and make sure it's dry and cleaned up when you put it back together. So not a terribly big deal. It looks like a lot of the wood is gone. So that's all gone right here. We're going to end up going back probably in this area and cutting that out. So we'll come back with a respirator, clean all this up, get it out of the way. May have to use a saw or an oscillating tool to cut out what's there. Basically, you just take a pick or a flathead screwdriver and just poke at it and start peeling away whatever pulls up. Because if it pulls up, it's bad. Sometimes it can really stretch way over in the floors, and it's not desirable, but nothing you can do about it. You got to fix it. You got to fix it. So that's where we're at. That's where you can see when we started doing this. Didn't really look like it was gonna be that bad, but yeah, we stretched out pretty far. So we got some mold control to take care of and a lot of rotted wood that we need to get pulled out. So keynote with mold, be careful. Don't need to be getting sick overdoing all this anyway. So if you have a mask or a respirator, definitely wear it when you do this job.